Welcome to our video on understanding glaucoma, early detection matters. In this video, we'll delve into the world of glaucoma, its definition, and the crucial importance of early detection. Hello, everyone. Today we're exploring one of the leading causes of blindness worldwide, glaucoma. Let us start by understanding what glaucoma is and why detecting it early is so crucial. Glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that damage the optic nerve, the crucial link between the eye and the brain. This damage often occurs due to increased pressure within the eye, which is called intraocular pressure. Over time, the optic nerve's gradual damage leads to irreversible vision loss. Glaucoma is often referred to as the silent thief of sight because it typically progresses without noticeable symptoms until the later stages. Now that we understand what glaucoma is, let us move on to Part B, the importance of early detection. Early detection is crucial because by the time symptoms become noticeable, significant damage may have already occurred. Let us hear from some individuals who experienced glaucoma firsthand. Imagine not being able to see a loved one's face or a breathtaking sunset due to preventable vision loss. That's why regular eye exams are essential, even if you're not experiencing any discomfort. Detecting glaucoma in its early stages allows for timely intervention and management. Treatment options can include eye drops, oral medications, laser therapy, and surgical procedures, depending on the severity of the condition. So, whether you're young or old, have a family history of glaucoma or not, remember that regular eye checkups can play a vital role in preserving your precious vision. Thank you for joining us today to learn about glaucoma and the importance of early detection. Remember, your eyesight is a gift, and taking care of it starts with knowledge and regular eye examinations. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into your eye health. Stay tuned for our next video.